ebalulekile kunale enkulu yokuthi yazi sineke umnandi bohlezi ukhona and usuke olulodwa hlala endaweni eyodwa.
Wait, ufoneliwe la ngihleli nawe kwathi uzolotsholwa.
Jesus, man, this is so. Eish. Let's go on.
Ma, ngathi ufoneliwe.
Uyani?
Kwathi uzolotsholwa.
Sometimes ubaba uyongifika ngilenga lapha endlini ngenxa yakhe.
Those are strong words used by Usne at the end of the video. Hello guys, I welcome you to another episode of Khabula the Tea, the only channel where we sip a lot of tea and do not judge. In this video, we're going to do the same as well. But we know in this channel that Usne is a sensitive topic. We love Usne on this channel, and it's evident throughout the videos made of Uthando Nesithembu, Nengane Zesithembu, yeah. So it is shocking to see Usne come to a conclusion of wanting to take her life just because umndeni wakhe hasn't really understood Usne. We all know that Usne is not a confrontational person. Usne akathanda ukuhlaliswa phansi atshelwe indaba zakhe, and it makes it even worse if it's done before, in front of cameras. So that's why they always get Usne that lashes out. That's why they always get Usne that seems like akahloniphi, because the family does not understand her. We would like to see Usne who said ukhulile, khula Sne. We want to see that Sne. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.